No way. Bluetooth. Woo. So I have a problem. I want to turn my outside lights on from inside, but I can't do that. Now, when I want to get my barbecue action on, I gotta go all the way over here to flip this switch. A while ago, I tried to fix this problem the easy way. I went to Home Depot and got a smart light bulb, but quickly I realized I needed an app, it needed to connect to my Wi-Fi, and I had to pay a subscription to use this light bulb. So I want to use my skills as an engineer to make a solution that doesn't need another subscription. My name's Jeff, and we're gonna start a circuit project. I know that something like this probably already exists, some sort of Bluetooth switch extension cable, but I thought this would be a really fun circuit project to try to film. So I want to start off small. Keep in mind, I drew this with my cast on, so bear with me. But my plan is to use a microcontroller with a Bluetooth module and a switch that will be inside, and we'll talk to the other Bluetooth module and microcontroller that's connected to the relay with the extension cord. That way I can plug in my lights to this side. The Bluetooth should be able to talk through the wall, through the window, just fine. This is what I mean when I'm talking about an Arduino. And this is, I think, just called a Nano, but it's way smaller. It has less circuits on it, but it just has the microcontroller and a bunch of pins, which is all we really need. We have a relay. So there's a big magnetic coil in here. It's like a high current switch, but it also has the effect of separating the AC and DC. For an electrical engineer, this is going to be a pretty easy project, but I think for someone who's not used to this type of stuff, it might be really interesting to see how the pieces go together. Step one, get the Arduinos talking to each other. Success. This is my button, but eventually I'll be using this switch. Very satisfying. Step one complete. Step two is going to be using these Bluetooth modules to replace the wires in this setup. We'll have two modules speaking UART to the Arduinos and Bluetooth to each other. Hello. You might be wondering, where's Jeff been? And I bought a gaming PC on Facebook Marketplace. I was working on my circuit project and I was thinking to myself, what if I could do some circuit design? What if I could do some 3D modeling? You know, I was editing on DaVinci Resolve on my laptop from school before and it was not working very well. Yeah, I got sucked into Arc Raiders. The game's awesome. I've so far got 63 hours in Arc Raiders and I've had it for like 2 weeks. If you guys haven't played, I definitely give it a try. It's a lot of fun playing with friends. And here's my circuit that I've got going on. I've got some Arduino scripts running in the background, and they are essentially helping me test the serial relay. Here on the screen, I can type something like, hello. Okay, so here we are. We've got the transmitter in the back, the receiver in the front. We've added a relay and an LED. When we issue the command LED off, we'll hit enter, and we should hear the relay click here. There it was. After a lot of work, we're configuring the Bluetooth module using the serial relay that we put together. Oh, didn't like that. Okay, we got some troubleshooting to do. This is way harder than I thought it would be. It works. I want to be really clear here. There's the Bluetooth module on the transmitter, there's the Bluetooth module on the receiver, and there are no wires between the two setups. And when I type in LED on and hit enter, the LED should turn on. No! We'll try again. Okay, it worked that time. Nice. Okay, I've got a few bugs to fix. I want to try something. I think the receiver doesn't have to be connected to the computer. As long as I give it 5 volts somewhere in the house, it should, in theory, catch the Bluetooth signal. When I plugged it in somewhere else in the house, it looked like the LEDs, like the Bluetooth module was paired. Okay, so LED on. If I hit enter and it responds, that would be crazy. It responded. Okay, we gotta go find it. No way. Bluetooth. Woo. That's so cool. Okay, this is the transmitter. It's got just a nano, the USB link, and the Bluetooth module. And we've got a little voltage divider there to translate from 5 volts to 3. I'm gonna try to turn the LED off, and then we're gonna go check. Okay, so we should, in theory, get a response. Nice. Let's go check. Oh, nice. Okay. The LED turned off. There it is right there. I'm gonna go turn the LED on from the other room so that you guys can see it. It works. Hey guys, I really had a lot of fun working on this, and I know that circuits can sometimes be boring, but if you learned anything, please go ahead and leave me a like just to let me know that you learned something new. And if you want to stay tuned, go ahead and subscribe, because next I'm going to be feeding AC into my new circuit. And in case you missed it, I filmed a 2025 recap video. You can watch that here. All right, have a good one.